How I use clove water and aloe vera to stop my itching. My scalp itched a lot and I was making research on what exactly to use. If you itch your hair after barbing your hair as a guy, or you're a lady, you itch your hair even after wash day, then this video is for you. The first step is to wash your cloves and boil it for about 10 minutes, and then after that you soak your aloe vera for 30 minutes, and then after you soak your aloe vera for 30 minutes to remove the aloe, then you'll be scoping out the aloe vera gel like the way you see me do in the video. Itching isn't dirty hair. 90% of the time it's fungus, dryness or product build up. Aloe vera will give calmness, cloves will kill the bacteria or fungus. Together you'll be having an affordable mix that will stop your itching within 7 days. Remember to patch test by day 1 on your jawline 24 hours. If it burns, do not use it. Do not use this daily. If you use this daily, it will make your scalp to be dry. Use this only 3 to 4 times in a week. And remember to moisturize after. Use 2 drops of lightweight oil to moisturize your scalp, especially for the guys. After scoping all the aloe vera gel, whisk it and then use your wig cap to sieve it like the way you see me do in the video. After sieving it, the next thing you're going to be doing is to be adding your cloves water, already boiled clove water. You can see the water of the clove as it's already colored to show that all the ingredients of the cloves are inside the water already. So you're going to be adding the clove water to the aloe vera gel and sieve everything all together. For the guys, if you itch after barbing, you can try this 24 hours after you barbed your hair or 48 hours after you barbed your hair. Do not use this the same day you barbed your hair. Wait till the next day before you use this, and always use grapeseed oil or jojoba oil to seal everything in. You can decide to rinse this out after 30 minutes to 1 hour, or you can leave it in. But for me, I left it in on my hair and then washed it out the next day. Remember, do not do this if you have open sores, eczema or bleeding. See a doctor first. Comment no itch if you are doing this today. Come back by day 5 and tell me if it worked. How many times you should use this? Use this 3 to 4 times in a week. Why does it work fast? Clove kills the fungus. Aloe vera stops the inflammation. Itch is gone by day 7. Do not throw the aloe vera leaves because we're going to be using this as well. So what we're going to be doing now is applying this to my hair. I'm applying this to my scalp. After I apply this to my scalp, I ensure that it gets into my scalp very well. I apply it onto my scalp. I'm not applying this to the hair, only the scalp. Yes, that's what I'm going to be doing. And then after that, the next thing I'll be doing is to be using the aloe vera leaves. Yes, to be rubbing it in. Yes, I'll be using the aloe vera leaves to use it as a massage, to massage it in very well. Ensure you massage it in very well so that this recipe will be entering into your scalp and work the work it's supposed to do in the next 7 days. So ensure you massage your scalp very well, and do not forget to leave this in for like 30 minutes to 1 hour before you rinse it out. But for me, I left this till the next day before I rinsed this out, and I can assure you by day 7 you'll be coming back to this video to comment that it worked for you, because this recipe actually works. Aloe vera and cloves are, in fact, these are 5 and 6. This is a great combo that will stop itchiness for you very fast. Thank you for watching, and remember, Auntie Shade remind us that beauty will not get care, now does go cover am. Bye, see you in my next video.